My channel, Sweet Uniquities, where everything I do here is always sweet and custom for an event, making it a true uniquity. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy cake stand for possibly some of those people on your holiday gift list that you need a last minute gift for. And most of these items come from the Dollar Tree. So let's jump into today's project. You are going to need 2 pizza pans from the Dollar Tree. And then I picked up this out of the catering section, and it is, I don't know, like a little bowl. I think these are so pretty. You can use these for so many different things. And the sticker surprisingly comes off very easy. So good job with that, Dollar Tree, because I'm telling you, like, doesn't it make you so mad? Like, when I buy a lot from like Home Goods and TJ Maxx, and they'll put that sticker, that price sticker, right on the front of like your picture frame or your soap, you know, your soap dispenser or whatever, and you can't get that off hardly, and you have to dig out the Gooby Gone. Come on, get it together, TJ Maxx. But Dollar Tree's got, I mean, that just peeled right off. So we're gonna use this as the base. And then, so those are the 2 items that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. What you will need also is either some type of spray paint, or I guess you could just paint it with acrylic if you wanted to. I just think spray paint is so fast. So I picked up some Rust-Oleum chalked in white, and you can do any color you want. I just thought for gift giving, white was such a good universal color for most people's, you know, decor. And then at Amazon, and I will link all of this below, I picked up a bag, and there's 300 of these little guys, but they're these little beads, wooden beads, and these are the 16mm size, and I wish they were a tad bit bigger. So I would really probably recommend the next size up, whatever that is, I'm not sure. But I think the whole bag was about $14 maybe. So I can't remember, but I will put it on the screen whenever I do some more research on that. But anyway, but you get 300, and you definitely don't need 300 for the project. So now I'm just gonna kind of glue it all together, and then we're gonna and spray paint it, and then we're gonna have a beautiful cake stand to give as a gift. So hang tight, let's put it together and check that one off our list. So here we go.
You don't have to do this step, but I thought it might be good to paint the inside just a tad with some white chalk paint. So I did a couple of coats of white chalk paint just on the edge of the pizza pans. Keep in mind this project is not food safe, so any baked good that you use on this platter will definitely need to be placed on another little cake plate before you set it directly on this project. And now the fun part, I'm adding the beads. You will need to just add a small amount of glue, enough for 3 to 4 at a time, and this goes really quickly, and I found it really enjoyable. So you'll have that together in no time. Now it's time to take the other pizza pan, put some glue around the edge of it, and press those 2 pans together. Once that's finished, take the little trifle dish, center it in the middle of the pizza pan, and use a layer of hot glue to adhere it to the pan. And then once you have that set, put another layer of hot glue. Once everything seems set and secure, take it outside, give it a few coats of chalk paint, and you are ready to give it as a gift. This project cost about $7 for supplies without the spray paint, and you probably have some of that around the house. I think it's a quick, easy, and so cute gift to give someone on your holiday gift list. Just add a cake, add some cookies, add some cupcakes, and it is a perfect gift for anyone. I sure hope you'll come back and see me on my next video. Please consider subscribing and liking today's video so that you don't miss any future content. And in the meantime, please have a sweet and unique day. We'll see you next time at Sweet Uniquities. Merry Christmas.